Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be wearing a boho knotless box braid wig from Fancivivi. This is a 360 boho box braid wig and here are some of the gifts it came with. So guys, I'll just go ahead and list the beautiful features of this wig. First of all, this wig is super lightweight guys, and that is a very big win for me. And it also has HD lace net that blends perfectly well to the skin, and also some beautiful baby hair that goes around the 360 lace. I also love the quality of this wig, and it is well braided and the coils at the end are giving lushness guys. So let's see the inside of the wig. The wig has two wig combs at the front and it also has one wig comb at the back. It also has adjustable straps for proper fitting. I'll go ahead and drop the link of this unit in my description box. You can go check it out guys. I promise you're going to love this unit. So for the installation, I'm going to start by cutting off the lace net at the back area because it will be difficult to cut it off on my head, so I prefer to do that outside before wearing the wig guys. And guys, I'll be installing this unit without glue, and that makes me very excited because I love the fact I can always rock this wig anytime, any day without glue guys.
It's almost like falling in love for the first time, all over again. Hold on tight to the feeling, but it's a roller coaster in my head. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be all, it's gotta be all or nothing, all or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing, all or nothing. These doubts like the playing cards close to my chest. Turn them round for the river and hope it's something that I won't regret. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be all, it's gotta be all or nothing, all or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing, all or nothing. Oh, oh, it's gotta be all or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing, all or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. Oh, or nothing at all.
Clouds are stirring up the sky. I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head. It's telling me to stay the night again and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear goodbye. Fall asleep to lullabies with something that I thought I'd never find. And what is right and what is wrong, and all I ever saw was love. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head, it's telling me to say the night again, and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever, let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever, let's run away together. Clouds are stirring up the sky. I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight.